Welcome to VR Interphysics channel. If you like the video, like it, share it and subscribe my channel for upcoming videos. Today we are going to discussing the topic mirror formula in ray optics and optical instruments. So this mirror formula is you have to learn from your 9th class to intermediate session. So here you are observing a concave mirror and it is the principal axis for the concave mirror. Here P is the pole for the mirror. Consider object AB is placed behind the center of curvature. C is the center of curvature and a ray AD travelling which is parallel to the principal axis and incident at point D on the mirror, and it is reflected along the DF path. So here F means principal focus, and another ray AE passing through the center of curvature and it is also reflected along the same path. So image will form where two rays of light will be intersects, that is the A dash B dash, which is real, inverted and diminished. A dash B dash is the image of object AB, and here the distance between the object to pole, so it means B to P, it is equal to the U, and the distance between two image to pole, so it means A dash B dash to P, it is the V, and here the distance between the focus to pole, so F to P, it is represents the focal length, so F. So all these are you are observing in the ray diagram. So this is the ray diagram for the concave mirror. So here once again repeating, AB is the object, A dash B dash is the image, U is the distance between the object to pole, V is distance between the image to pole, and F is focal length, so distance between the focus to pole. So here in the diagram, triangle DPF and A dash B dash F are similars. So that's why here I am taking B dash A dash by PD. So these are the same adjacent sides. It is equal to the B dash F by FP. So that is the equation. But here you are observing PD is equal to the AB. So the height of the PD is equal to the height of the AB. So substituting these value in the above equation, you will be get the first equation. Here B dash A dash by BA is equal to B dash F by FP. So this is the first equation. And in the same way here another two more triangles are there. Those are the first one is the A dash B dash P, you are observing in the image, and second one is the ABP. Both are similar. So here B dash A dash by BA is equal to the B dash P by BP. This is the second equation. So from equation 1 and 2 we will get the equation B dash F by FP is equal to B dash P by BP. Why? Because in the first and second equations LHS are same. So that's why I am equating RHS. But here B dash F is equal to the B dash P minus FP from the diagram. Substituting this value in the above equation, we will be get the third equation. So here once observe, by applying the sign convention, B dash P, so B dash P means this is the distance between the image to pole. So this is equal to the minus V. Why we are taking the minus? It is left side from the pole. So that's why it is the minus V. And BP is equal to minus U. Why? Because B means object, P means pole. So distance between object to pole U, it is also left side. That's why you are writing the minus U. And here FP, distance between the focus to pole, and it is also at the left side of the pole. So that's why you are writing the minus F. So by substituting these values in the third equation, we will get B dash P means minus V minus FP means minus F. So minus V plus F by minus F is called minus V by minus U. So you are substituting these values in the third equation. So by this you will be get, when you are taking the minus is common, then you will be get V minus F by F is equal to V by U. So you will be get the when minus is cancelling in below equation. So from this equation you are getting, when you are giving the f to the v and f, then you will be get v by f minus 1 is equal to v by u. Why? Because f will be cancelled. So then you will be get v by f minus 1 is equal to v by u. So from the equation finally you will be get 1 by f is equal to 1 by u plus 1 by v. Here which is the mirror formula. Once observe, f means focus, u means distance between the object to pole, v means distance between image to pole. So if you know the any two values, automatically it is easy to find the third value. So this is the mirror equation. 1 by f is equal to 1 by u plus 1 by v. Thanks to watching my video. Like the video, share the video and subscribe my channel.